do you love about Starbucks?
What do I love about Starbucks? Well, there's a lot of nostalgia attached to Starbucks since I used to work at Starbucks for a long period of time actually in college. I think it was well over, let's see, once, at least 2 years. Yeah. And it was a good time. There was a lot of traffic in the cafe that I used to work in. And all the girls used to come and check me out. I used to not look like this, I used to look like a hippie. Like body unit, long hair. And they just wanted to like give me a bath. They're like, who's this exotic looking creature? I narrated this story once on coffee with Karan, and people found that quite amusing. So yeah, 2 years I was working at Starbucks, and I was very good. I became an expert. I used to be very, very fast with my hands.
Okay.
And what I used to do is when I used to start my shift, I used to come and I used to place everything in the precise way that suited me. And I used to make all these little adjustments. I was just like, bam, 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 bam. I was so fast, and I used to like, they used to flirt with me and I used to flirt back. And it was, I only have the fondest memories of working at Starbucks. Yeah, good time.
Would
So
not
yeah,
miss a chance.
special place in my heart.
And who would not miss a chance to flirt with you then? So here's the double blonde espresso.
Okay, so the espresso goes into ice.
Yeah, and 3 pumps of brown sugar syrup.
3 pumps. Then we put So this is, so first you had ice in this.
Yes.
And then you put double espresso.
Yeah, double blonde espresso.
Double what? Blonde
That's
espresso.
a blonde roast. That's a lighter roast coffee that we serve. The coffee machine is blonde roast. That's the lightest in the roast.
Lightest?
Yes.
अपने को हार्ड चाहिए था
So
you need 2 pumps of brown
3 pumps of brown sugar.
as opposed to classic sugar, yeah, brown sugar, yeah, this. So 3 pumps.
Yes.
Okay.
And now shake it with it.
Make it.
Yes.
Shake what your mama gave ya. What do you call it?
Cocktail shaker.
Cocktail shaker. Only shaking a cocktail shaker, guys. Only because you love me and I recognize that and I'm grateful for it. Thank you. Alright, so shake it like, when do you know it's done?
When you shake it with 10 times we count it.
You
and
do
then
10,
it's
huh?
done. Yeah.
10,
When you feel that it's
you do what?
silky smooth texture of the espresso.
I have been playing a lot of paddle with my partner Nikunj, and he's really reason to woo Nikunj. Nikunj, uttering the name Nikunj does not warrant a woo at all. He's the furthest thing from woo. He's very competitive and he's very skilled in pretty much everything that he does. And basketball, we used to compete, and now we compete in paddle tennis, and he's really running me ragged on the court so much that I have picked up an injury right here. I don't even know what to call this muscle, brachialis, radialis or something like that.
Brachialis.
Tennis elbow, paddle tennis elbow. It's like the most bougie injury a person could possibly have. So yeah, I have this bougie injury in my right forearm. So I have been using more of my left, and I hope that I want to get this right. I want to have the near perfect rendition of the very long and complicated name. The brown sugar, iced, shaken,
Espresso.
espresso. Okay, good. Thank God it's over. Can't even do it, man. See, his injury and now he is the impediment in me trying to. But it's good, man.
Yeah.
Okay, if you say so.
Yes, let it last.
Okay. Straight up. What are there any other steps? So I just put it from this little area. Open it and do it. Alright. glass, and he always uses this glass. It's got a very physical look to it.
अच्छा
It's like Borosil.
इधर देखो एक बार आप इधर देखो एक बार
Always goes milk.
वहाँ से हमारी भी देखो
Isn't there another aspect of technicality in this nomenclature? Isn't it with Super U
Yeah.
vanilla protein foam?
So we are right about to make that.
Oh, okay. So we're going to protein foam. What is the never-ending name? 1 second. It is
Signature.
Zig. Prefix here. Signature.
Ice.
Ice. Signature.
Signature.
Ice.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Espresso.
Espresso.
Yes.
Signature ice shaken espresso with vanilla protein foam. Okay. Okay. So now what?
Yeah.
Now we're making the protein foam.
Yes.
Okay. So we're like 60% into the process. So we're already lose weight.
30 grams of gram.
What? That's a lot of protein to be consumed in a coffee. What is essentially a coffee drink.
Yes. So this is what I mean, the world's finest Arabica coffee makes the Super U protein foam.
Also the
This is
world's finest,
best.
bro. Also the world's finest.
Yeah. So let's
तो आ गया।
and then we have-
Two scoops, huh? Two scoops, मतलब you should be getting way more protein than 30 grams. इसका weight off है। Oh, okay. So not all the foam gets on.
शायद अच्छी लगेगी इसकी वजह में प्रोटीन शेक
So this is your master mixer. Mixing. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Blender. Has it ever happened that like this gets used in a good चालू तो कर ब्लेंडर क्या हुआ ब्लेंडर को क्या हुआ
दूसरा बंदा देख लो ना दादा जाएगी ये तो मुझे
पावर है
वहाँ चालू वहाँ से आएगा यहाँ पे
That's your double blonde espresso. Shake it for getting the top, which is the most interesting Super U protein.
Okay, so it's very good.
Yes.
Anything you put in there like a straw, tissue, anything? Very cheap. How would you recommend it? With a straw or straight up?
It's a straw because it mixes coffee and foam together.
Oh, foam यहाँ पे लगता है कोई मजा नहीं। Very good. So that is your wish. अपना स्टाइल होता है। you recommend I give it a swirl?
Yeah, so that's what the special protein for.
If I don't mix it in, I can get a taste of just the protein.
Yes, and then you
Right. Oh, what? Wow. Coffee and then such just like mixing it up, blend in the most perfect way with this protein. Oh, that's the best cold coffee I've had in my life. Cold coffee, yeah. इतना क्या complicated नाम है cold coffee बोल. Protein cold coffee. ये देखे तो cold coffee तो है.
cold coffee में ice paste है.
Damn yummy one though. Ever killed it.
And
What a
good job, Emma.
oh. So this has a whole lot of coffee in it. Am I going to start getting the jitters? सवाल ये उठता है मैं घर कैसे जाऊँ? अच्छा ठीक है प्यार ही प्यार ये तो हमारा काम है. Bro, it's yummy. I could have one of these every single day. I have to say, it is like a super cold coffee, super tasty, and I have to say the protein foam is the clincher. Whoever has come up with this, kudos to you. I'm curious, and I will ask whoever created this recipe why they go with vanilla and not the coffee flavor. Because ज़्यादा coffee हो जाएगा ना coffee के ऊपर coffee. So to offset the coffee, you have the vanilla. I have to say it is yummy.
We also suggest the protein foam to most of our consumers. Then we all have to say one thing that the protein foam, the Starbucks finest coffee is a blockbuster.
It's a blockbuster. I have to say, I'll give it to you. Ever you have created a blockbuster at last.
Thank you. I'm glad you do that.
Wow. Can't stop.
Guys,
This
we
is
get a
everything.
regular customer. Find out.
So, a lot of people come in and check.
They do.
Yeah. It's unusual, not to have a protein foam in a coffee.
But people being more health and checking their daily protein counts and calorie counts are very enthusiastic to try their beverages in a healthier way.
Got it.
So Starbucks and Super U have come together with a collaboration in an innovative way that they created protein
Oh,
foam.
bro. मजा आ गया bro. दिन बना दिया तूने मेरा एमन.
एक और बना दूं आपके लिए? 26 ग्राम प्रोटीन टोटल प्रोटीन.
इतना कॉफी भाई उड़ने लगूंगा मैं. Oh, it is a banger. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Really awesome drink. I'm glad to be behind the counter after many years. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.